In today's video, I'll share some useful tips and tricks when using the feed editor. Let's start by looking at a formula that I've created in this column. Every one of the elements inside of your formula can be evaluated. By clicking on the lightning bolt, you can evaluate how many members are inside of that element, and you can also see how they're enumerated. The next thing I want to show you is that we have help for every function that you're working with. By clicking on the little gray bar, it will expose the function help. And not only that, but as you step through the elements in your function, it will show you exactly where you are. Now, further to this, we have documentation about all of the functions available in PowerMetrics. So clicking on here opens a side nav, and you can read about all sorts of different ways and tips and tricks on using the various functions. So here's a helpful little trick. We're going to use Group and Groupby to better understand our data. So we've got a list of countries here. Let's start a new column, and I'm going to add the group function. I'll select our countries, and immediately we'll see that we have 3 unique countries. We'll do this exact same thing with Groupby. We'll start a new column, and instead of just grouping, we will sum each of the uniques. So we'll see how many members we have for each category of country. The next thing I want to show is how to duplicate a column and the formulas inside of that column. This is useful if you have a fairly complex formula. You need to duplicate it, but just tweak it a little bit. Up next is filtering. Now, filtering is a great and easy way to reduce the data to only see the stuff that you're interested in. So in this case, I'm filtering on bananas, and you can also see that I can do a match any case where I have bananas and apples. Now, keep in mind that if you can filter at the query level before it even hits the feed editor, that's the better place to do it. Okay, we're down to our last 2 tips and tricks. Now, this is a really small data feed, but if you need to change the order and see the latest items or the oldest items, you can do that here. And if you ever need a refresh on the data, click here or here to queue a refresh.